you can also split fixed assets with Fixed Asset Reclassification Journal. And this is very interesting if you want, for example, to post partial disposal of fixed asset. Let's now see how we can do this inside the Dynamics 365 Business Central. And first, I will go to my Fixed Finance module and then Fixed Assets. And for this example, I will choose my cooling unit. And let me now show you how we can split the fixed asset into two fixed assets. And one of the examples can be that, for example, our cooling unit has broken print board and we need to replace it. In our case, we will reclassify part of the cooling unit to a new one, and then we are going to dispose this new broken print board. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will select my cooling unit, and I'll click on Home, Copy Fixed Asset, and I will copy one of the cooling unit. Okay, I will get a new cooling unit, FA300, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rename it to print board. So cooling unit print board. Okay, other parameters can stay the same because it's just part of our original cooling unit. Okay, now I will navigate back home and I will go to Tell Me and search for Fixed Asset Reclassification Journals. I will choose my journal. Okay, I will select my date, so date on when I want to classify, document number, so for example, reclassify 02, and then I will select, okay, my existing cooling unit, so cooling unit, and what will be my new fixed asset where we are going to put part of the value of our original one. So it will be new cooling unit print board. And let's say that, for example, I want to split 16% of the value. You can also reclassify part of the value by specifying amount. It is also perfectly possible, as I showed you in previous lesson. And I also want to reclassify acquisition cost, depreciation, and I want to insert balancing account. Okay, now when everything is ready, I will click Reclassify. Okay, and my fixed asset GL journal is ready. So I will go to Fixed Asset GL, Fixed Asset GL journal. And here you can see that Business Central will recommend to reclassify my fixed asset 200 to 300, and I see that it only took 16% of the value. Okay, if I'm okay with this, I will click Post. And my journal will be successfully posted. Now, if I go back to my fixed assets, and if I navigate to my new fixed asset, I see that this fixed asset has some value. So meaning that we successfully reclassify part of value from the original fixed asset. And now if I need to dispose this, I will post a disposal transaction. So I will go to, again, Fixed Asset GL journal. Okay. In my account type, I will choose my cooling unit, but print board, because this is the broken one that we need to dispose. And then I will select FA posting type disposal, and I will post this Fixed Asset GL journal. And after my journal lines are successfully posted, my fixed asset print board has been successfully disposed.